So this is the braid pattern that I did, just 4 jumbo braids in the back, and I sectioned off the front half of my hair because I'm gonna do triangle parts here. Apply edge control and smooth it in. And this is the design that I chose to do, just 5 triangle parted braids. And then I just did a total of 4 feed-ins. So for these dramatic baby hairs, all I did was cut off like 1 to 2 inches of the braiding hair. You do not have to use track hair, as that's more expensive, so just use some braiding hair that you have laying around. And I pretty much just used some hairspray, and I think I might have put a little bit of edge control on it to make it stick to like the side of my face pretty much. And I just, use my fingers and the tail end of the comb to get it to stick. It was not the most secure. Like, this will literally only last for 1 day, which is fine. I was just, doing the little trend that was going on at this time period. I used the wrap strips to hold my edges in place while I finish styling the rest of my hair. So here I'm putting on the half wig by Sensationnel. It has combs and a drawstring on the inside of the wig, and it does fit pretty snug to the head. I freshened up the curls using the LottaBody mousse and just pretty much finger detangled the wig. And this is the finished look. I thought it was super cute. Most people, instead of the half wig, they would typically do a quick weave or a sew-in in the back. But what I did was more time efficient and pain-free. I really like this look. I thought it was cute. I'll probably do it again in the future. Thanks for watching.